halides with metals. सेकेंड कैटेगरी जो है इसमें, तो इसमें जो मेटल एटम्स है, we have various metal atoms which actually react with these alkyl halides. जैसे हमें लिथियम है, सोडियम, मैग्नीशियम या जिंक है, Pb that is lead, mercury, etc. These all react with alkyl halides to form different compounds. Now the first one is reaction of, पहली जो है reaction of RX with lithium metal, पहली वाली lithium metal. These reactions occurs usually in ethyl solution. When alkyl halides reacts with lithium, the products formed are usually alkyl lithium. याद रखना alkyl lithium. So this is RX Li. It reacts lithium metal. It reacts with alkyl halides. We will get first LiX plus this R will react with Li. So this is alkyl lithium. समझ आ रहा है? These are known as alkyl lithium compounds. Usually they are known as organometallic compounds. Organometallic compounds. Organometallic compounds की definition. Organometallic compounds, those compounds which have at least one carbon metal bond, they are known as organometallic compounds. Definition लिखूंगा थोड़ा. Organometallic compounds. Those compounds twice यहाँ पर. Those compounds which contains at least one carbon metal bond, they are known as organometallic compounds. This is first reaction of alkyl halides with lithium metal. Now second one is कौन सा है दूसरा है सोडियम. This is important, याद रखना इसके साथ रिएक्शन में. सो दूसरा जो है रिएक्शन ऑफ RX with sodium metal atom. हाँ, जो प्रोडक्ट्स इसमें जो बन रहे हैं, प्रोडक्ट्स आर यूजुअली हायर, याद रखना, हायर alkanes. Actually it's a sort of a coupling type of reaction. Coupling type of reaction ये है. इसमें यूजुअली क्या होता है, more than one or two molecules of an alkyl halide couple each other in presence of what? Sodium metal to form higher alkanes. See the reaction is RX, that is, हाँ क्या है RX क्या है? Alkyl halide. They will react with और सोडियम मेटल एटम।
Metal.
बट इसमें क्या होता है, 2 molecules of these alkyl halides reacts with this sodium, so we'll use our second molecule of alkyl halides in ether solution. What actually happens, we will get NaX. That means we have 2 here. In order to balance the reaction, we'll use 2 as coefficient. So हाँ, products क्या बनेंगे? So product formed R and R. ठीक? So this is simply chain lengthening of alkanes. इसमें क्या है? Higher alkanes are formed. We'll take an example in order to clear it. One example. Say we have CH3, CH2, Cl that will react with sodium metal. यहां तक समझ आ रहा है? Second, that is CH2, CH3. हाँ, 2 molecules of what? Alkyl halides. अब बता क्या बनेगा इसमें? ये वाला पार्ट क्या बनेगा? NaCl, but twice. और यहां पर भी twice है, NaX. ठीक है? और CH2, CH3 plus twice NaCl. तो इसमें क्या है, पहले में अगर हम यहां पर देखेंगे, we have only 2 carbons in this molecule and 2 carbons, but यहाँ प्रोडक्ट में simply you can balance this 2 molecules you can use here. ठीक है, हमने प्रोडक्ट्स इसके साथ लगा दिए, तो अब क्या है, हम यहाँ पर लगा देंगे ये. So we use 2 molecules of what? CH3, CH2, Cl. तो ये क्या बन गए, ये बताओ, ये क्या है? अब हायर अल्केन्स. समझ आया कि नहीं? समझ आ गया? ऐसे 2 मॉलिक्यूल मैंने ऐसे कपल कर दिए. Cl, ये Na है, Cl, CH2, CH3 ट्वाइस. अब ये बाहर निकल गया वापस, तो ये वाला प्रोडक्ट आ गया. समझ आ रहा है? So these are simply higher alkanes. Higher alkanes. If you name this is simply N-butane. N-butane. इसमें कितने कार्बन है? 4. 2 मॉलिक्यूल इसमें भी 2 थे और इसमें भी 2 है. ठीक है? This is ethyl chloride, first molecule. This is second. So we will get N-butane as the product. N-butane as the product. So this is why known as chain lengthening of the reaction. Chain lengthening of the alkanes. This reaction is known as Wertz reaction. ये याद रखना. Wertz reaction. क्या नाम है इसका? Wertz reaction. अब अगर एग्जाम में आ जाएगा कि Wertz reaction क्या है, आप क्या बताओगे? Wertz reaction इसमें क्या है? 2 molecules of what? Alkyl halide couple each other in presence of sodium metal to form higher alkanes. हाँ, अब एक क्वेश्चन अगर आपको आ जाएगा, हाउ कैन यू कन्वर्ट? क्वेश्चन एक, हाउ विल यू कन्वर्ट, जरा ये करो आप, हाउ विल यू कन्वर्ट प्रोपाइल क्लोराइड into N-butane? ये कैसे होगा बताओ, जरा बताओ कैसे होगा. हाँ, इसमें क्या है? प्रोपाइल क्लोराइड into N-butane. इसमें कितने कार्बन है? 3 कार्बन. बट प्रोडक्ट में कितने हैं? 4 कार्बन है. हाउ कैन यू कन्वर्ट इट? अगर इसमें 4 है लेकिन यहाँ कितने हैं? 3 है. दैट मीन्स इसमें एक ही मॉलिक्यूल किसका होगा? प्रोपाइल क्लोराइड का और एक होगा किसका, मिथाइल क्लोराइड का। क्योंकि अगर हमें 4 कार्बन चाहिए तो उसके लिए क्या है, एक में 3 होने चाहिए, दूसरे में कितना है, एक। सो सी इफ वी यूज प्रोपाइल क्लोराइड, हाँ फॉर्मूला बताओ, CH3 CH2 CH2Cl, फिर यही रिएक्शन, व्हाट इज रिएक्शन यूज कर रही है, Na प्लस Cl CH3, तो ये मिथाइल क्लोराइड है, ये प्रोपाइल। So what will happen? NaCl will come out first. NaCl, but twice. और क्या बनेगा? These three carbons will react with this. So we will get CH3, CH2, CH3. अब क्या है ये? N butyl. ठीक है? So this is simply what is reaction. क्या है नाम? What is reaction? What is reaction इसका नाम है। So what is reaction? Occurs in presence of sodium metal atom. Now if instead of this, say third one, if we will use instead of these are aliphatic compounds, that is alkyl halides or haloalkanes. We can replace these by aryl halides. We can replace these by aryl halides. That is second. अगर हम aryl halides use करेंगे, say like this, instead of this was aliphatic. Now these are क्या? These are aromatic. So again, what will happen in presence of sodium? जरा इसका प्रोडक्ट बता क्या बनेगा? That's why this is an important reaction. हाँ बता प्रोडक्ट क्या बनेगा? Again the pattern is same. You will get NaCl twice from this, but the product is now different. Product is different. You will have products are usually diphenyl, this one, diphenyl, but this is not what is, this is simply known as Fittig's reaction. क्या है इसका नाम? Fittig's पहली वाली का क्या नाम था? What is, अब ये क्या है? Fittig's, इसका नाम क्या है? Fittig's। अब तीसरी, इसका क्लास है 2 का, what is और Fittig's का, पहले आप लिखो। Now the third one, what is Fittig's reaction क्या है? What is Fittig's reaction is simply a cross product of the two. Cross product of the two means we'll use one alkyl halide and one aryl halide. At that time the product formed is cross product. See what happens. Now if we have alkyl halide or X plus sodium metal atom and an aryl halide, say this, again NaCl is formed first. Next we have benzene ring is attached with R. Benzene ring is attached with R. Simply this part is Fittig's part, while this is Wurtz's. So that is why this is known Wurtz-Fittig's reaction. Wurtz-Fittig's reaction. That means the metal atom is same, but the reactants are different in different cases. So now fourth one, rather fifth, not fourth, fifth one. Fifth one is, this is also important, Ullmann's reaction. एग्जाम में अक्सर इन्हीं में से आता है कोई भी एक नेम रिएक्शन, Ullmann's reaction. This reaction is same like Fittig's reaction, but this occurs with copper metal atom. Copper metal atom actually reacts in an ethereal solution with aryl halides or aromatic compounds. Aryl halides के साथ. हाँ अब देखो, 2 molecules of aryl halides, this reacts with Cu metal, copper metal atom. Product formed is again, हाँ क्या होगा फिर product? This is copper. इसमें क्या बनेगा? Product is again diphenyl, CuCl2. First CuCl2 and the product is, हाँ क्या है product? Diphenyl. So in 2 cases you can prepare diphenyl. Exam में आता है कि how can you prepare diphenyl from these aryl halides? So you have 2 important methods to prepare diphenyl. One is, हाँ पहला वाला कौन सा था? किससे हम बनाते हैं diphenyl? किससे? Fittig's. अब दूसरा कौन सा है? दूसरा है Ullmann's reaction. ये दूसरा. So both are important है क्योंकि अक्सर इसको एग्जाम में ये पूछा जाता है कि how can you prepare this diphenyl? So this is 5th one. Next is fifth. Now sixth one, that is reaction of alkyl halides with reaction of RX. This is also important. Reaction of alkyl halides with Mg, that is magnesium metal atom. Magnesium metal atom. हाँ, in this case RX reacts with Mg, that is magnesium metal in ether solution, will get RMgX. This is important. RMgX, again an organometallic compound where we have a direct bond between metal and carbon atom. This is known as Grignard's reagent. Or Grignard's, since this is usually used for the synthesis of various organic compounds. This is polar molecule. Magnesium is metal, while as this halide is negatively charged and this is also negatively charged. Usually both alkyl lithium and these Grignard's reagents are strong bases. So they will always donate its electrons to H positive or hydrogen atom. This is known as Grignard's synthesis. While this product it is known as Grignard's reagent, RMgX. See an example now. CH3, CH2, Cl. This is ethyl chloride. It reacts with magnesium metal atom. हाँ बताओ प्रोडक्ट क्या होगा? हाँ जल्दी. CH3, CH2, MgCl. Very good. Ethyl magnesium chloride. Reaction number 6. This is important. Next, seventh one. Seventh one is reaction of, हाँ और कौन सा मेटल एटम मैंने बताया था? Reaction of alkyl halides. Reaction of alkyl, हाँ कौन सा है? Alkyl halides with, और कौन सा है? Zinc मेटल के साथ. Zinc metal atom के साथ. Usually dialkyl zinc compounds are formed. alkyl zinc compounds are formed. Dialkyl zinc compounds. See, if we have R, X, they will react with zinc metal. We have usually two alkyl halide molecules coupled with each other with zinc atom to form dialkyl zinc. That is like this, plus zinc chloride, plus zinc ZnCl2, zinc chloride is ZnClX, ZnX2. Now see in example, CH3, CH2, Cl. They will react with zinc metal, but we have two molecules of this alkyl halide. So we'll get product बता क्या होगा? CH2 Zn, but we have this is twice. We can write like this, dialkyl zinc. In this case this is diethyl, क्या है? Diethyl zinc, diethyl zinc. समझ आ रहा है? Two molecules of this Zn, यहाँ पर ZnCl2 क्या होगा? Zinc chloride. Seventh. Now eighth one is और कौन सा मेटल एटम है? लेड भी है. So this is seventh. Now eighth one. Reaction of Rx with lead. Usually lead. This is sodium lead alloy, lead metal atom. लेड की वैलेंसी कितनी है याद है? ये किस फैमिली का है? कार्बन फैमिली का है. कितना बॉन्ड कितने बनाएंगे? 4 बॉन्ड बनाएंगे. सो इफ वी हैव Rx will react with lead metal atom again in ether solution. प्रोडक्ट क्या बनेगा फिर? फिर हमें क्या होगा? Pb, but R is कितने टाइम्स होगा? 4 टाइम्स, क्योंकि lead's valency is 4 plus lead is X, but 4 times. समझ आ रहा है? So you can use, you need to balance. You will put 2 here and 4 here. ठीक है? So example, if we will use CH3, CHCl plus twice Pb, so these are 4 molecules. They will react with lead. प्रोडक्ट क्या इस बार होगा? जरा बताओ क्या होगा? Pb, CH3, CH2. How many times? 4 times. Pb plus यहाँ पर Cl4. This is known as TEL, TEL, tetraethyl lead. Tetraethyl lead usually known as an anti-knocking agent. Anti-knocking agent used in petrol. tetraethyl lead. ये किसके साथ थी? लेड मेटल एटम के साथ. इसके बाद एक और है लास्ट वन. किसके साथ? Hg. मरकरी के साथ है. लास्ट वन, नाइन्थ वन. रिएक्शन ऑफ Rx with सोडियम एमलगम. सोडियम मर्करी एमलगम ये है, इससे बनता है NaHg. सोडियम एमलगम so that means actually Rx reacts with Hg, that is mercury. बता कंपाउंड क्या है इसमें बनेगा? मरकरी की वैलेंसी क्या है? mercury 2. So we get R2Hg. Hg ऐसे प्लस HgX कितनी बार होगा HgX2. HgX2 you can use example CH3 CH2 Cl plus Hg. हाँ इस बार क्या प्रोडक्ट बनेगा CH3 CH2 twice Hg plus HgCl2. I think this is enough. That is reaction. This was all about the reaction of alkyl halides with metal atoms. Metal atoms.